Hi everyone, let's try to create this presentation. You see it's pretty nice looking and it has its own effect. So let's start. The first thing is that you need to have a new slide. These are just some basic shapes. I'm going to tell you how to create them. You just create a rectangle by holding shift. Then insert a text box. For example, write 4 on that. Choose the text box and change the font, increase it in size till you want. Make it centered. Then press this to go to shape format, align them center, middle, and combine. This shape is ready. So because of that, I'm going to copy that. I show you how to create them. Because of that, it's waste of time. I create all of them. Then copy them, paste it here. Then these are just rectangles with some text. Lorem Ipsum is a text folder. And this title thing is created using Overdrive Sunset font on a white rectangle. This is where the magic happened. This rectangle, you need to format it to the picture, a slide background. Then format the background to the color you want. For example, you can use gradient fill. But as you see, gradient fill sometimes look awkward. Because of that, it's better to be a warm solid fill like this. Then apply it to all. And after that, you copy this and paste it here. Then for the first slide, you need to press Ctrl A or select them by hand, then align center and middle. But you see, we have a problem. We need to bring them front and just simply you need to do what? You need to add them here and select these two, bring them here. Create a little more effect. Okay, now from here go to here. How the importance is here, we are going to select them and go to animation and give them a fly in, but the effect option is going to fly in from left, and the speed is going to be, the duration is going to be to 1.5 seconds, and this also fly in from the left, and for all of them. Then let's take a look at the slides and set the transition of this slide also to morph. Let's take a look. Okay, wait a little because you have some animations. It's sometimes going to crash like this. You see? Let's click. Now, for each click, the text has come. You can also create a more effect by bringing this tree to front. Make it look even better. You see? The text is coming from the back. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.